The Unseen Hero, a tale from World War II. I remember the day it all began as if it were yesterday. The year was 1939, and the world teetered on the edge of an abyss. I was a young man then, full of vigor and dreams, barely 25, when I enlisted in the British Army. News of Germany's invasion of Poland had spread like wildfire, and the air was thick with the tension of impending conflict. Little did I know that my journey would lead me through the darkest depths of human experience. My first assignment was in France, as part of the British Expeditionary Force. The moment we arrived, the grim reality of war hit us like a tidal wave. The sound of artillery fire became a constant companion, and the sight of bombed-out villages served as a stark reminder of the devastation we were up against. Every day was a battle against not just the enemy, but also our own fraying nerves. We had to remain vigilant, knowing that danger lurked around every corner. The true horror of war unfolded before my eyes during the Battle of Dunkirk in 1940. The German forces had encircled the Allied troops, and we were left with no choice but to retreat. Our mission was clear: hold the line and ensure the evacuation of as many soldiers as possible. The beaches were a chaotic inferno of explosions and desperate cries for help. I led my men with a resolve I didn't know I possessed, fighting tooth and nail to protect our retreat. The sea was a graveyard of destroyed ships and lost lives, a grim testament to the ferocity of the battle. The aftermath of Dunkirk left scars that would never fully heal. These images haunted me, serving as constant reminders of the price of conflict. Assigned to various fronts, I witnessed the devastation unfold across Europe. In Italy, I trudged through the treacherous terrain of Monte Cassino, where the once majestic abbey lay in ruins, a casualty of relentless bombardment. In Normandy, I was part of the D-Day invasion, storming the beaches under a hail of bullets and mortar fire. The sight of my comrades falling around me is an image that remains etched in my mind. As the war raged on, I became a seasoned veteran, my actions earning me several commendations. But true heroism, I came to realize, lay not in the medals I received, but in the resilience and compassion I witnessed in my fellow soldiers and the civilians caught in the crossfire. We rebuilt war-torn communities, offering solace to those who had lost everything. The human spirit, I learned, could endure even the greatest of hardships. When the war finally ended in 1945, I returned home to a country that felt both familiar and alien. The war had left an indelible mark on me, shaping me in ways I could never have imagined. Reintegrating into civilian life was a struggle, but it was a battle I faced with the same determination that had carried me through the war. I dedicated my life to educating future generations about the horrors of war, hoping to prevent such a catastrophe from ever happening again. Now, as I sit by the fireplace in my quiet village, the flames flickering softly, I reflect on the journey that brought me here. My story is not just one of bravery and sacrifice, but also one of hope and the enduring strength of the human spirit. It is a tale that I share with the world, not just as a lesson in history, but as a testament to the resilience and compassion that define us as human beings. In recalling these memories, I hope to provide not just a glimpse into the past, but also a language lesson steeped in the realities of war. Terms like artillery fire, evacuation, and commendations become more than just words. They are woven into the fabric of our shared history. This story was a stark reminder of the human cost of war and the enduring strength of the human spirit. The flames in the fireplace flickered softly, casting a warm glow on the old hero who had once stood in the shadow of war. His story, now shared with the world, serves as both a lesson and a tribute to the countless unsung heroes who fought and suffered in World War II. It is a tale of courage, sacrifice, and the hope for a better future, a story that will resonate with audiences, teaching them not just the language, but the profound lessons of history. Key vocabulary and phrases: vigor, energy, and enthusiasm. Annals of history, historical records. Omnipresent, present everywhere at the same time. Ferocity, fierce and violent aggression. Spectre, a ghost or something widely feared. Harrowing, acutely distressing. Resilience, the ability to recover quickly from difficulties. Indelible, impossible to remove or forget. Solace, comfort or consolation in a time of distress. Tribute, an act, statement, or gift intended to show gratitude, respect, or admiration. Hope you enjoy this episode. If you have any specific details or directions you'd like to add, feel free to let me know.